Hey guys, it's your girl Bree and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Bree. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is my first springtime look. I created this look using Morphe's Sweet Oasis palette and this is what I came up with. Also, if you guys haven't already, please subscribe to your girl's channel so you guys can be part of my fam. And if you guys are interested in learning how I created this springtime look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, I already have a base down. I pretty much did my whole face to save a little bit of time for you guys. I already did my brows off camera. You know, my OG Anastasia Beverly Hills brow is in the shade Taupe. And today I wanted to do a spring look because I haven't done one since it's been spring. And this is going to be the star of the show today. This is the 35S Sweet Oasis palette. Is what it looks like on the inside. Super stoked to be using this palette today because it is the collab with Iluvsarahii and I absolutely love her, and she just had gorgeous looks with this palette, so that's what I'm going to be using today. I'm just gonna stick with pretty much these colors right here, and we are doing full-on spring look. First shade I'm going to be going in with is Saltwater Dip, and I'm putting that on a Morphe M513. I'm just going to put this all on the outer crease area. Going back in circular motion. It's like a pretty like mint green color. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing awesome. I know I am. Awesome possum. Now that I have that shade laid down, I'm going to give it a little bit more dimension, and I'm going to go in with the shade Sail Away, which is a little bit darker green color, and just pop that right into the crease. And I'm picking this up on a lavish tapered blending brush. This shade blended out like a dream, and I wouldn't expect anything less from Miss Iluvsarahii because she knows what she's doing. I feel like this palette is definitely perfect for spring. It's got some pastels in it. Wow, that is stunning. These shades are very pigmented as well. I hope everybody had a nice Easter. I didn't really do anything, but you know, I know it's a family holiday, but I hope you guys had a good one. Remember when I was younger, looking for little eggs. My parents would sometimes put money in it, so I was like, where's the money at? Screw the candy, where's the money at? Good times. Now I'm going to do some cut crease action. I just want to do a little bit of a hat cuff crease, and I'm going to do that with a little bit of concealer. I'm just going to use my I'm just going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Light Sand. And just cut her up a little bit. Sorry for the delay in content, guys, by the way. I had like a really bad allergic reaction on my face, and it was like half my face, like this part right here, and it just was not cute, and my face was very irritated, and I just felt like I shouldn't be wearing makeup because in any case with any allergic reaction, like if you put something on it, it's gonna make it so much worse. So that is why your girl has been a little MIA, kind of healing from that. But I'm back, and I want to continue to do some springtime looks for you guys. I really want to do a lilac look. I think that would be so pretty because I haven't done one yet on my channel. But yeah, now I'm back, no longer like all textured out. I took some Benadryl one of the days, and that ish is so powerful. It made me so sleepy. And I'm like, damn, if I ever need to try and go to sleep, just pop some Benadryl. That ish is powerful AF. Oh yeah, I got my springtime nails, guys. This is so much better than before. I told you I would get them done. And I just love this color. It's not like a neon yellow, but a springtime yellow. And you see how I'm just going a little bit above? Same thing for the other eye. I'm gonna go back in with the saltwater dip shade and put it in my inner corner area. And then I'm gonna put Snorkel Fish, which is a little bit darker mint shade, right next to it. I'm gonna pick up a Morphe R42 to do this. This color I'm just laying down for a base because I'm actually gonna go in with a shimmer on top of it and it will look beautiful. I'm gonna go in now with Sail Away, which is a darker shade, and laying it down right next to it. All right, now that I have that down, I'm gonna deepen up the outer edges, and I'm gonna go in with Hidden Cove, which is the darkest mint shade, I believe. And I'm gonna pick that up on a Morphe M506. I know I look a little crazy right now, but you'll see it'll look better in a second. Trust me. And now we're gonna go in with the shimmers. When I saw them, I was so excited because they're so pretty. I'm gonna go in with Island Top, and I'm just gonna press that right into the inner corners of my eye. And I just think it's gonna be a great idea. So I'm just gonna give her a little spritz of my rose water setting spray. Ooh. And then go right on in. Oh my God, I love this shade. This color is so pretty. Do I look like Iluvsarahii? I love her. And I also watch her channel with her mans. I think they're so cute. They're funny. I'm like, those are some relationship goals for real. Building a life together, building an empire together. Very inspiring. And this is what she looks like. So pretty. Absolutely love the way this turned out so far. I'm just gonna do a lower lash line real quick, and I'm gonna pop on some lashes, and then I will be right back. See you in a little bit. All right guys, so I did pop on some lashes. These are from Lily Lashes in the style VIP. And I also did my lower lash line and applied mascara. And now for lips, I'm going to be using NYX. This is their nude pink lip pencil. And I'm just going to line my lips with this shade. To complete this springtime look, I'm just going to top it off with a tiny bit of gloss. This is from Fenty Beauty, their Gloss Bomb in Baby Brute. I'm just gonna pop this in the center because I just want a little bit of gloss action. Gloss bombs really are bomb AF. Love the smell. All right guys, and this is the finished makeup look. What do we think? Do you like it? Do you love it? Not so much for you? Let me know down in the comments below. And that's pretty much it for me, guys. I absolutely loved the Sweet Oasis palette. I will be using it again for sure. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Sure I don't look stupid. Everything's so dirty. So dramatic. Are you done yet, bro? Are you done backing up? I just don't get it. Died. Now the train's going. Awesome.